Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the online recorder of the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website of the Vidnoz AI. Then we have to log in our account. And after logging in, what we need to do, simply we have to go to this option which is called online recorder. So we have to click on this option. And after clicking on this, as you can see, I've already opened it. So let's go to this option. So as you can see now, what we need to do, simply you will be able to see your all options here. You will be able to get that, and this is linked with your recorder. So as you can see now, what we have to do, firstly we have to install a recorder, and then we can record the video. So as you can see, let's record the wonderful quality video with our tools. So we have to install their software, and then we can record a video. We can share that whatever we want to do. So as you can see, has option for the create a video. For example, if you want to record a video or upload a video, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on the record a video. As you can see now, we have to choose some settings like the camera and the screen camera or the web camera. We have to choose that. Camera is off, microphone is off. You have to do these all settings, and after doing these all settings, as you can see, the 30 minutes is, we have the only 30 minutes limit, and then we have to hit the start recording. And after clicking on the start recording, our recording will be started. I can't do this. I'm just showing you that how you can do this. So in this way you can record your screen. So in this way you can record your video on the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.